In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay employees in Xero. By the end, you'll feel confident creating a pay run, reviewing your employees' details, posting it, and emailing payslips, all inside Xero. We'll start from the Xero dashboard. Open the payroll menu to access your payroll tools, then choose Pay Employees. This takes you to the Pay Runs area where you can see past and upcoming runs. To create a new one, select Add Pay Run. That opens the setup flow for a fresh pay period. Next, choose the pay period you want to process. Select the appropriate calendar that matches your payroll frequency. For example, weekly. Take a moment here to confirm the start date, end date, and the intended pay date. Getting these dates right is crucial for correct accruals, taxes, and reporting. When everything looks accurate, click. Next, to build the run. You'll now see the list of employees included in this pay period. Open an employee to review their draft payslip. Check the hours and the pay rate carefully. If you use timesheets, make sure the totals match what's been approved. Confirm any overtime, allowances, or leave taken during the period, and ensure deductions or reimbursements are correct. It's a good practice to compare this against the previous pay run to spot unusual changes. If anything looks off, pause and update the employee's details or the time entry so the figures calculate correctly. Once the employee's details are correct, click Save to capture those changes. Repeat your review for any remaining employees in the run, saving as you go. When you return to the pay run summary and everything balances as expected, you're ready to finalize. Choose Post Pay Run to lock in the payroll. Xero will prompt you to confirm this action. Click Post Pay Run again to complete it. Posting finalizes the pay, creates the payroll journals, and updates balances so your accounts reflect the run accurately. With the run posted, it's time to notify your team. Select Email Payslips to prepare the notifications. Review the recipients and message if needed, then confirm by clicking Email Payslips again. Xero will send each employee their payslip so they can review their pay breakdown securely. That's it. You opened payroll, created a new pay run, selected the correct period, reviewed each employee's hours and rate, saved your changes, posted the pay run, and emailed the payslips. Remember to double-check dates and amounts before posting and keep your employee records up to date for smooth, accurate payroll every time.